Every day, billions of people use banknotes without ever wondering how they are made. Yet behind every note, what appears simple in your hand is actually packed with technology designed to defeat counterfeiters. To stay ahead of counterfeiters, modern banknotes are becoming more advanced and more secure than ever before. Behind layers of security lies the factory responsible for producing the next generation of money. Only a small number of people are allowed inside these highly protected facilities. This is the incredible story of how the world's next generation banknotes are created.
Every banknote begins as an idea. Before a single note can be printed, designers and security experts spend years developing its appearance.
Modern banknotes contain multiple layers of security, many of which remain invisible during everyday use.
Every feature must survive attacks from counterfeiters, equipped with increasingly advanced technology. Some security features are so small that they can only be seen under powerful magnification. After years of development, the design is finally approved for manufacturing.
The next generation banknote is ready to move from concept to reality.
Modern banknotes are not printed on ordinary paper. They require specially engineered materials. The foundation of every banknote begins with a carefully controlled fiber mixture.
The raw material is transformed into specialized sheets designed for high-security printing.
One of the most recognizable security features is added long before printing begins. Watermarks provide another powerful layer of protection against counterfeiting. The specialized material is now ready for one of the most advanced printing processes in the world. Before a banknote can be printed, one of its most important weapons against counterfeiters must be created: its security ink. Modern banknotes use advanced inks that are nearly impossible to reproduce using ordinary printing equipment. These giant machines represent some of the most advanced printing technology ever created. For the first time, the future banknote begins to take shape.
Instead of printing one note at a time, entire sheets containing multiple banknotes are produced simultaneously.
The banknotes now have their identity, but their strongest defenses are still to come. Some of the most advanced security features are created in highly restricted areas of the factory. Even the smallest error could compromise the integrity of the final product.
Many security features remain invisible until viewed under the correct conditions.
Modern banknotes contain layers of protection invisible to the human eye. Each layer works together to create one of the most secure products in modern manufacturing. Printing a banknote is only half the challenge. Before a single note can leave the factory, it must survive one of the strictest quality control systems in the world. These machines can detect errors too small for most people to see. Their accuracy is measured in fractions of a millimeter, ensuring every note meets exact standards. In this factory, perfection is not a goal. It is a requirement. Many of the banknote's most important security features remain invisible during everyday use. Here, every hidden defense is carefully verified.
A modern banknote must survive years of daily use while continuing to protect itself against counterfeiting and damage.
After surviving one of the most demanding inspection processes in manufacturing, the banknotes are finally ready to take their next step towards circulation. At this stage, every sheet contains multiple completed banknotes. The next challenge is transforming these giant sheets. These machines must cut with extreme accuracy. Even a tiny misalignment could render thousands of banknotes unusable.
The giant sheets have now become individual banknotes, each prepared to receive its unique identity. Every banknote must possess a unique identity. Without it, tracking, verification, and security would be impossible.
No two banknotes can share the same serial number. Every sequence is carefully controlled and continuously verified. The banknotes are now complete. But before they can enter circulation, they must pass through the final layers of security. Even after surviving countless inspections, every banknote must face one final examination. Here, perfection is measured at microscopic levels.
Modern banknotes contain layers of hidden security that ordinary users never see. Every one of those features must function perfectly.
No compromise is allowed. Any note that fails inspection, no matter how small the defect, is permanently removed from production.
Even defective banknotes represent potential security risks. To protect the integrity of the currency, they must be completely destroyed.
Inside a banknote factory, accountability is absolute. Every note has a beginning, and every rejected note has a documented end.
Only the perfect banknotes remain. After surviving one of the most rigorous manufacturing processes on Earth, they are finally ready to After surviving one of the most secure manufacturing processes on Earth, the banknotes arrive at their temporary home.
Human error is minimized wherever possible. Advanced automation ensures accuracy while maintaining strict security.
Before shipment, every note must be counted, verified, and recorded with absolute accuracy. The packaging process protects the currency while preserving accountability throughout its journey. At this stage, security becomes even more important. The currency is complete, and its journey beyond the factory is about to begin. All containers accounted for on the digital manifest.
Confirmed. Tell Central Control we are moving to seal the vault and initiate transport.
The banknotes have completed their journey through the factory. Now begins one of the most secure transportation operations in the world.
From the moment they leave the factory, the banknotes remain under continuous protection until they reach their final destination.
The factory's responsibility ends here. From this point forward, the nation's central banking system takes control of the newly created currency.
What began as raw material inside a secure factory is now entering the bloodstream of the economy.
Most people never think about the journey behind a banknote, yet every note carries years of engineering, security, technology, and precision manufacturing. From secret laboratories and ultra-secure printing halls to armored convoys and central bank vaults,